Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Claude has released another exciting feature. The one feature is this incognito chats. Here you see start conversations that would not be saved to your chat history or memory, and it is rolling out to all plan types starting today. Means the free user, pro user, and this team user, all user can access this feature. And another feature is this Claude can now create and edit files, turn conversations into Excel spreadsheets, documents, PowerPoint, slide decks, and PDF directly. So first, let me talk about this incognito chats. Now, if you go to your Claude.ai website and there just log into that, and on the right hand side, you will find this kind of ghost option. So if you just hover on it, you will find that use incognito. Click on it, you will find this kind of interface. Let's chat incognito, and on the left hand side you will find this incognito chat. Now what is the advantage of this? So sometimes you don't want that your data will go into the Claude. So in that case you can use this Claude incognito. And if you also go to their official website, they have written these things that what are incognito chats? Incognito chats are temporary conversions that are not saved to your chat history or to Claude memory, and also incognito chats are not used for training purpose. Okay, so if you normally if you normally do the conversation with the Claude.ai, they used your data for training purpose. But if you use this incognito mode, then your data will remain safe and you can maintain your privacy. They will not use your data for training purpose. So sometimes what happens that you use any code base for debug purpose, or if you are making any project, so in that case your data will remain completely safe. They will not use your data for training. Okay, now this is the another features that they have added. Claude can now create and edit files. So how will it work? Basically you can directly use the Google slide, power presentation, and Google doc inside this Claude.ai. So how will it work? Here just go to your Claude.ai, and they have given one simple example of how will it work, this create and edit files. Here you see that just go to your Claude.ai, and in this prompt option just write your prompt that for example they have given that someone is running one business and they want to know that how the revenue things is working for their business, and top 3 to 4 opportunities with clear visuals. So purely they want to do the data analysis but with the help of Google Doc. Here you see. Okay, and now how will it work? So after typing the prompt, if you press enter, here just provide the data. Means you have to provide the data, right? Means how much you have sold, or how much revenue that you have got, and also all of that things for the different month you have to provide. Now after providing that CSV file, press enter, and here you see that it will do that. And here you see that Excel analysis, and on the right hand side in that artifact section, here you can open it. And here you see that directly you can connect your Google Drive to this Claude.ai, and all of the things that you have generated in your Claude.ai, it will come directly to your Google Doc. And this is the advantage of this new feature. Here you see. Previously this feature was not there, but now it is there. And here you see that they now want the same things in the other format. In other Excel format also they want to generate it, and it is also possible with the help of this new create and edit feature. Here you see whatever the Excel that got generated in the Claude.ai, you can directly convert them to your private drive, means Google Drive Excel. Okay, so you can directly edit that, and you can create the conversation. And this feature, this create and edit file feature, is now currently available to all of the Max, Team, and Enterprise plan users. Pro users will get access in the coming weeks, so for that we have to wait. And when this feature will be available, so how to turn on this feature? So first of all you have to go to this Claude.ai. Now go to your Claude.ai settings. Now on the left hand side you will find this feature option, and here you will find one extra option, and that option is this upgrade file creation and analysis. So just turn it on, and after that you will be able to use this feature. So I hope that this detailed analysis of this new feature will be helpful for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.